Yes, no! This match has got the hair on the back of my neck standing up, Michael. This is going to be great.
Austin from behind.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
And now stalking his prey.
Oh, a serious knockout blow.
And he drives the fist down.
Watch it.
Ooh. Oh my, just raw, unmitigated power. Hold on, where's he going? And the People's Champ decides it's time to talk a little smack. Once again, thank you for joining us at the Night of Extreme. King, are you looking forward to that huge match later tonight?
Oh, yeah. You aren't going to want to miss what happens there.
Lou Thesz press, and look at Austin fire away.
I think he's through. What? Stunner! Stunner! Nobody does it better.
What should the People's Champ be looking to do now, King? Good Lord, look at the fire in his eyes.
Dropped. And that was a hard shot. Yow! Here he comes. Axe handle. Ouch! Oh, right to the gut.
Oh,
Oh, that did it.
he almost took his head off with that lariat.
Oh, wow. And there's a counter by the most electrifying man in sports entertainment. Oh, it doesn't get more punishing than that.
These athletes seem to have some Lou Thesz press, and look at Austin fire away.
Great counter by The Rock. Clothesline. Knocked down. What a shot. This is it. Here we go.
Stone Cold Stunner.
Look at this.
Oh, do you believe that? And will this be it?
He's got him down for the pin. Turn around, ref. Now, I'm a Rock fan, but I don't know if he'll be able to come back from this. Man, that one rocked him. These superstars are so unpredictable. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. He's got him hooked.
Hooks the leg.
I can't see interfering, and you are gone. And I think it's obvious that he'll stop at nothing to win here tonight.
Austin goes behind.
Look out! Look out! Oh, did you see that knee? Austin's in a fighting mood. Don't trouble! Unloading with the Thesz press. He's bleeding all over the place. This one's getting ugly.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been Lou Thesz press, and look at Austin fire away.
He's going for it again. A stunner! A stunner! A stunner!
What a hellacious. He thinks he has it. He almost took his head off with that lariat.
Oh!
The force, my God. That should do it right there. The Texas Rattlesnake is all business tonight.
Stone Cold unloading with the Thesz press.
That'll do some damage. Can he score the pin? One, two, three. Austin wins. Stone Cold wins.